So today I will show you an autoclave, working principle of autoclave, what are the parts of autoclave and what are the uses. So basically autoclave is an equipment which we are using for sterilization purpose. Small forceps, scissors, metallic things, medium we can sterilize here. It is a wet type of sterilization where the vapor used to sterilize with adequate pressure and time. So this is a horizontal type of autoclave. Generally autoclaves are two types. This is a horizontal autoclave. It is look like this. Actually it is an industrial type of autoclave where large amount of medium we used to make. And another autoclave that is vertical also. This is called vertical autoclave. Just by position only. And in what way we can use this. So generally for large media preparation we use horizontal type of autoclave. It's easy to handle and we can accommodate good quantity of medium. So three things are important here. Temperature. Generally temperature we used to keep that is considered as optimum, that is 121 degree centigrade temperature. The same temperature we have to keep for 15 pounds of pressure, 15 pound pressure. And then the timing was also there, at least for 15 minutes. It varies when the autoclave is generally used for many years, then we used to increase the temperature and even timing also, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, depends on different laboratory setups. Generally recommended is 121 degree centigrade temperature, 15 pounds pressure, and in general 15 minutes of time period. With this much of these three parameters, everything will be sterilized inside the autoclave. So this autoclave is having only two parts. This is called as boiler, and we used to fill water through this. Generally we used to fill deionized water or distilled water, but since it is expensive, so we are using here RO water. RO water we used to fill here, and then we can check the level of water availability. This is one glass. So here we can check how much water is there, and we can adjust the minimum requirement level. In boiler only rods are there, electric rods are there, which heating rods are there actually, and it is connected with the power supply. So heating rods boil the water. Water is to boil in this, and the boiled water boiling water make vapor, and the vapor used to go to this chamber. That is sterilization chamber. So hot water, then vapor formation. Vapor used to create pressure, and this pressure can be measured, is visible here through this. So this is the through this we can understand how much pressure is created inside the boiler. When sufficient pressure is there, generally 15 to 20, then we release that pressure to the sterilization chamber like this. Now the pressure is coming to sterilization chamber. So this is the lid of the sterilization chamber. So the sterilization chamber look like this from inside. We are using some wooden pieces so that we can adjust the medium, because it is a round in structure. So generally this is sufficient for 10 to 15 liters of medium we can make at a time. This is sterilization chamber, and when we are putting this knob on sterilization, then the vapor which is generated into the boiler is coming into this chamber. So after that this needle used to start moving, right? So when it is reaching to 15, then since it is automatic system, so we have adjusted it when the temperature is 121 degree centigrade. So and timer is also adjusted 15 to 20 or based on our requirement. Then automatically when the time period is over, it used to switch off. So this is sterilization chamber. And this is the lid of this heavy duty. It's I think we purchased it around 6-7 years back. Still it is working fantastic. So this is the sterilization chamber. This is boiling chamber. So boiling chamber is having rods. Heating elements are there which used to heat the water. Heating water, boiled water used to produce vapor. Vapor used to send to the boiler, the sterilization chamber. And we used to keep our medium in this chamber, and then tightly we have to close it like this. Right. So then the sterilization chamber temperature used to increase. That is visible here. When it is reaching to 15 pound, we can wait for 15 minutes. Then we can switch it off. So basically it is an sterilization chamber, an equipment essential for almost in all the hospitals, tissue culture laboratories, biotechnology laboratories. This is a must instrument. So this is industrial type instrument. If we want to make less amount of medium, this is from the back side. So exhaust, this is the exhaust. Right. When sterilization process is over, we used to move this knob from sterilizer to slow exhaust. So then we used to switch off it and then move this knob to exhaust, slow exhaust. So even if we are in hurry-burry mode, then fast exhaust is also there, one option. So when the pressure reaches to zero, that time we can open it and take the things out. Everything, whatever we kept inside or we are keeping inside, that will be fully sterilized, right? No contamination, no chance of any live things can be possible in that. So this is all about one horizontal type of autoclave. This is a vertical small autoclave which can accommodate 1 to 2 liters of medium. So if requirement is less amount of medium we are using, then we are using this autoclave. Here you can clearly, this is very old, I think, around more than 10 years old, but still it is in working condition. So you can see here, heating element is there, water, nothing more than that. So water, heating element. One sensor is also there which used to sense the temperature inside. And in this is the container in which we are keeping medium. So this is manually we have to use it. Right. This is the pedal. And this is the lid. We have to operate in this way. So here it can show only the pressure. Temperature down. This is the temperature panel, and this is a pressure knob. So through this we have to wait for 15 minutes, and then we can switch it off. So this is vertical type of small autoclave. This is a horizontal type of a big industrial type autoclave. Both are in working condition.